corona infection which came in the late part of the 2019 is ongoing, and there is a tsunami of cases with corona 2.0. The second wave of corona has hit India now. And you may be wondering what went wrong. The two things that happened. One, after the first wave, when we had a lockdown, when we isolated ourselves, when we wore masks and made sure that there was no person-to-person viral spread, we brought it under control. Now, in the meantime, the virus never remains the same. It undergoes a change called as mutation. A mutant virus is nothing like the previous form. Whatever vaccines that you have for a previous form may not completely cover a mutant virus. And if you remember, during the COVID first wave, the infection itself was not big, but the fear was very big. We were very worried to remove the masks. The most important negligence that caused the second wave probably is lack of COVID appropriate behavior. We have got fed up of people telling wear the mask, wash the hands, maintain social distancing, but you can't afford to get fed up. That's the only way we can prevent. The knowledge of coronavirus, if it's this much, we only know this much. That's the slice of the pie that we know. We can't do anything about it much because the human race studies diseases over many years to understand completely. Here, we had to hit the road running. There was no way we could sit and go to the lab and do tests because it was affecting people. Even now, the only way we can prevent the spread of infection is same thing. Maintain distance, sanitize your hands as frequently as possible. Most important is mask etiquette. There is no point in wearing the mask below the nose. We breathe through the nose. Nose is connected to the respiratory passage. I am surprised how people cannot understand that. If you see someone not wearing the mask, ensure that they wear the mask. This too shall pass, but we must pull up our socks and be ready for an even enhanced attack by the virus. But we will win over it. I will repeat, even at the cost of reputation, number one, wear your mask properly. Number two, sanitize your hands, wash your hands, bathe, be clean. Number three, don't go out of your house if it is not required. If you have to, maintain distance while wearing the mask. And the vaccine is there. Now the government has made it available for all of us. All adults in India are going to make. Please remember, Indian vaccines are very good. We are the leaders of vaccine for the world, if you did not know. Many of the eradications have happened because of the Indian vaccine. Please respect our vaccine, take vaccination, shun vaccination hesitancy. I have taken 2 doses and I am perfectly alright, and I have got that confidence. Even then, even I should wear the mask. So the fourth etiquette that I would say is, first stand in the queue for a vaccination, get your first dose, a month or 2 later, the second dose. My final appeal to all of you is stay safe amidst this surge. That's the only thing that's going to protect us.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.